Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Wash, dry, and iron the fabric so paint grips. Once done, slide cardboard inside to block bleed through. Next, shake the puffy paint vigorously for 30 seconds, then test on scrap fabric to check flow and color. Make a guideline with a disappearing fabric pen or light pencil. This helps placement. Finally, trim the nozzle a hair for controlled lines. Make sure to cut less first, because you can widen the opening but you can't put it back. You outline main shapes first with steady, even pressure so the design reads clearly. Once the outline is dry to the touch, fill with thin base layers rather than one thick coat. This prevents cracking. After each thin pass, wait about 10 to 15 minutes so the paint partially sets. This preserves puff. Then, make texture and highlights. Use gentle dots, lines, or a toothpick for detail. Make sure to vary pressure. That's how you control height and edge sharpness. You finish by letting the piece cure 24 hours on a flat surface, then heat set according to the paint label, usually low iron through a cloth. This improves wash durability. If you see blobs while the paint is tacky, lift excess gently with a toothpick. Make sure to work slowly. If cracks appear after drying, rehydrate the area slightly with a damp brush and add a thin layer, then cure again. One key troubleshooting tip: if paint bleeds, press a barrier and stitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.